Hello, welcome. Today let us learn about chapter circles. What is a circle? What are the different terms related to circle? Today let us go into learn. Chapter circle. A circle is a closed curve. It is a closed curve. Every point of which is at equidistant from a fixed point. From a fixed point, which is called the center of the circle. Let me draw the circle. Now let me explain you. Circle, it is a closed curve. Every point of which means on the circle, any point you take that is at equidistant from a fixed point which is called the center of the circle. Generally we take O for the center of the circle. Let me take point A on the circle, point B on the circle. When we join OA or OB or any other point if you take on the circle and if you join them, they are equidistant. That means OA is equal to OB. If we take one more point C also OC, all these are equal to each other. So OA is equal to OB, that is said to be the radius of the circle. That means the distance or the length of any point of the circle from this fixed point is called the radius of the circle. Suppose this AO, let me produce up to C. That means AC is passing through the center O. Then AC is called the diameter of the circle. AC is the diameter of the circle, and we can see AC is equal to OA plus OC. That means the diameter of the circle is equal to 2 into radius. That means the line segment joining any 2 points of a circle passing through the center is called the diameter of the circle. Let me draw one more line segment. Let me name it as PQ. PQ is the line segment joining 2 points of a circle P and Q. It is said to be the chord of a circle. Here we can observe that AC is also joining 2 points of a circle. PQ is also joining the 2 points of a circle. That means both PQ and AC are the chords of the circle. But AC is passing through the center, so it is the diameter. That means the chord which passes through the center is called the chord of the circle. So diameter is called the longest chord of the circle. Diameter is called the longest chord of the circle. Okay, then what are interior points? What are exterior points and all? Interior means which are inside. Exterior means which are outside the circle. Suppose let me take point Z. Point Z you see, that is interior. Point Y is exterior. Point R is exterior. Point S is interior. The points which lie within the circle are known as interior points. The points which lie outside the circle are known as exterior points. The distance from the center to exterior point is greater than the radius, and distance from the center to the interior point is always less than the radius. That is OS is less than radius, OZ is also less than radius. S and Z are said to be interior points. Okay? As these 2 points are inside the circle, the distance from those points from the center always less than the radius. And we said R and Y are exterior. OR is greater than radius. OY is also greater than radius. That means R and Y are exterior points for this circle. Exterior points for this circle. Okay? And if a point is on the circle, the distance from the center to that point is radius. Already we have learned. And let us learn some more points also now. Now let me explain you what is the arc of a circle. Arc of a circle is, part of a circle is called the arc of a circle. Part of a circle is known as the arc of a circle. Let me explain you what is this. Suppose this is the circle with center O. Let me take these 2 points X, Y. You see this is the circle. X, Y is the part of the circle. When we say this is X, Y, this one also we can name as X, Y. For better understanding, let me name this point as here as A, here as B. And we can, for the arc of a circle, we can write X, Y like this. And for this we can write X, A, Y is a minor arc, means smaller arc. There are 2 arcs, one is minor, this is major. And X, B, Y is the major arc of the circle. Major arc of the circle. Okay? So for this name, XA is also the arc, AY is also an arc, BY is also an arc. So for these 2 points X and Y, XAY is one arc, XBY is another arc, XAY is known as minor arc, XBY is known as major arc. And let me draw a diameter. Let me name it as PQ. PQ is the diameter of the circle. The diameter of a circle divides the circle into 2 semicircles. The diameter divides the circle into 2 semicircles. Semi means half circles. Okay? This is one semicircle and this is another semicircle. And the total length of the boundary of the figure circle is known as the circumference of the circle. Circumference means the total length of boundary. Length of boundary of the circle is known as the circumference of the circle. And 2 more points. What are they is, what is secant of a circle and what is tangent of a circle. Let me explain you that by drawing one more circle here. Let this is the line AB intersecting the circle at CD. AB is the secant of a circle. Secant of a circle. The secant of a circle intersects the circle at 2 points. Then what is tangent of a circle? Let me draw this. Let me name this as EF. It is touching the circle at P. EF is a line which is touching the circle at P. So EF is said to be the tangent of a circle. Try to understand the difference between the secant and the tangent. The line which intersects the circle at 2 points is the secant of a circle. The line which touches the circle at a point is called the tangent of the circle. These are some of the terms based on related to circle I taught you. In the next class, you are going to learn some more terms related to circles. Thank you.